Okay, dirty pour paint left from doing ornaments. Okay, now we just need to pour the paint that's left in that cup. This is all from when we did dirty pour ornaments. This is just leftover paint in the cup. We're going to pour it on this frame. This is a glass that I'm pouring it onto. And then we're just going to move it, guys. It's going to take a little while. Just take a while and move it. I show you most of it so you can see it changes. I'm telling you, it is so awesome to watch how it just changes and changes. But this is a dirty pour now without water. Most of the time when we do this kind of dirty pour, there's water in it. But we did not put water in the paint when we put it inside the ornaments and over the ornaments this time. But see how it's already changing? It's just amazing to watch it and how the paint moves and goes. Now I'm just kind of tapping it a little bit to get it to move because I'm trying to cover this whole glass with what I had left in that cup. And you just kind of tap it and it moves. You'll see. And then we're just going to let it dry overnight, guys, once I get through. I don't keep on going until it's all covered because you'd be bored. But anyhow, we did get it all covered. Here it is after it's dried overnight. Now I'm sanding the edges of this frame because it doesn't take paint very well, and I want to paint it gold, as you see. Now we're painting the whole thing gold, and then we'll dry it. We did 2 coats on most of it. The sides we just did 1 coat just to give it a little shimmer of gold. Make sure you dry it in between, of course. This is going to turn out to be so pretty, guys. And it's just made from a Dollar Tree frame and leftover paint. This is going to be beautiful. And there I am putting the second coat on. And then just 1 coat on the sides and the top. Then we'll dry it again, and then we'll be ready to move on to the next step, which is the awesome step, the finishing step. Look at that. That cross was given to me, and it is awesome. I just measured to see how long I wanted it. I put some Gorilla Glue and some hot glue on the knot, and put it up there in the top because, guys, you can't glue onto that paint. It'd come off. And there we're just putting this little jute bow. And that's it, guys. Finished product. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all please share our page out and come back for more.